So once you have installed LibreOffice Calc, all you have to do is just either create a new document in LibreOffice Calc, or you can open an existing document, which would be either, let's say, Excel file or CSV file, or the document in its native format. So for example, if you go to file, new, text document, so here you have to go to spreadsheet, because Calc works with spreadsheets. So this has created a new spreadsheet document, and if you'll save it, then you can choose your desired location where you want to save the document, and then choose the name that you want to save the file as. And then important thing is what would be the format of the document that you would want to save. So for example, if you want the default LibreOffice Calc format, it would be ODS or ODF spreadsheet. And let's say if you want to make it compatible with Excel, then you can save the file as XLSX as well, which is these days the default extension of Excel documents. So let's for now save it as ODS file. So it would be saved as hello.ods. So save it, and you have managed to save the file as the ODS file. Now let's say if you want to save this file as Excel file, then you can also do it. So you just go to save as, and there you can keep the name as it is, because since the extension would be different, they can have the same name. So here you can just choose XLSX, and yeah, you can save the file. And now interesting. Okay, let's save it as hello1.xlsx. You just have to also type XLSX, because it is not taking the document. Automatic file extension, you have to choose this automatic file name extension as well. So let's try doing that. Now it has taken that extension by itself. Ideally it should have been checked, but yeah, if you want to save this as, let's say, ODS file, then now since we have chosen this option, automatic file name extension, it will add that extension automatically. By default it is there in most of the softwares, but somehow they have made it optional for you. So in case you don't have this selected, then you can just manually type the extension. So let's say hello1.ods, and now you can save the file.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.